Right, we are hard body time now. So after, I would say, probably two days fully at this, probably been about 15 or 16 hours. I would say that I'm now at the stage where I've painted the resin main body, and that's been spray painted in Italian red. So that's a TS8, and that's had a good 24 to 48 hours to cure. I've also painted the back window area to go in the back. I've also painted the window for the top. I've decided that I'm going to be doing a solid sunroof type scenario on mine. And I've also started to paint the front grills, so that's been painted black, and I've got to do the details, which I'm doing now, and also the rear tailgate, that's been painted and now starting to do the details. So lots more work to do, but this is sort of an update where we are. So yeah, I shall be pressing on so that we can get the solid body all finished and on the car as a show body. Here we are. We have the components now for the main resin body, which I've now painted, and they seem to have come up quite well. I've got the main front grille, I've got the rear tailgate, I've got the rear section, I've got the main windscreen, and I've made these look like sunroofs, and of course the main driver. Say hi. So these parts form the main parts that go onto the resin body, and I've now got to detail the resin body, so that's what I'll be tackling next. Right, well, we're now at this step where I've painted the hard body. I've painted the black bumper strips in to the bodywork. I've painted the rubber surround for the windows and the Subaru badge, the handle and key, and again just showing you on the other side. So we're kind of there, plus the bumper strips along for the rear of the car. So we're kind of now waiting for that to kind of cure a bit, and then we can put the other pieces like the rear tailgate, the front grille and the windscreen and the rear section. We can now sort of start to bolt that in along with our lovely driver. He can come in as well. I painted that while I was waiting for the polycarbonate, doing those. So we're kind of there, as best as I can do. I'm not a great bodywork person, and this is my first ever attempt of a resin body. Right, you asked. So here we are with the resin body of the Subaru Brat, and I've now put together in the steps 29 to 32 of the build manual, and I put together the body painted as well now. Just waiting for the final parts to sort of harden really, so that it's fully cured. But as you can see, we've got a fully painted body with the driver inside. He looks happy in there, and I've detailed the body quite subtly. I might put some of the Brat transfers here. I've got a few left over. I might put a few of those on there, but essentially that is the body completed, and I'm quite happy how that's come out. This is my very first time doing a resin body, and I'm quite happy with how that's come out. That's the other side there with the detailing. Front view, if I can. There we are. Front view. There we go. And not forgetting the obligatory rear view. There we are. So I've had to spend many hours. I would say probably another 10 hours doing this particular body. It does take quite a while doing the painting. It is quite a thing to do, and I've opted to have mine almost like sunroof. That's the effect I was going for. So hopefully that's sort of portrayed through there. So yeah, that's where I am. That's what we are. That's the body, the resin body done. And it's ready to go onto the car. I've got the polycarbonate body on at the moment. You have to change the posts to fit the resin one on. So I'll do a quick swap over and show you the body on the car.